Changing your payout method on CoreFirst Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the CoreFirst Bank website or mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, find the option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You can add a new method or edit an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information such as bank account details or payment service information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to finalize your updates. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to CoreFirst Bank's customer support for assistance.